Matud pa sa maong awit nga I worship you, Lord. The reason I live is to worship you. Mao kana ang rason nga kita nabuhi, ako, ikaw nabuhi aron simbahon ang Ginoo, kay mao kana ang sugo sa Ginoo. To worship him in spirit and in truth. John 4:24. Simbahon siya sa espiritu ug kamatuoran, kay mao kana ang kinatibuk-an nga duty sa tawo, nga kahadlukan ang Ginoo ug tumanon ang iyang mga sugo. Ug usa sa iyang mga sugo mao ang pagsimba sa Ginoo sa espiritu ug sa kamatuoran. Ug mao kini ang rason nga kita nabuhi aron simbahon siya. I worship you, Lord. The reason I live is to worship you. Amen. When I look into your holiness, when I gaze into your loveliness, when all things that surround become shadows in the light of you. When I found the joy of reaching your heart, when my will becomes enthroned in your love, when all things that surround become shadows in the light of you. I worship you, Lord. I worship you. The reason I live is to worship you, and only you. I worship you, Lord. I worship you. The reason I live is to worship you. When I look into your holiness, when I gaze into your loveliness, when all things that surround become shadows in the light of you. And I found the joy of reaching your heart, when my will becomes enthroned in your love, when all things that surround become shadows